Weed mats that block light and create a physical barrier can reduce ant traffic on garden footpaths for several seasons when chosen and installed correctly. Use a high-quality, ultraviolet-resistant woven or non-woven landscape fabric rated for long-term exposure rather than thin, black plastic sheeting that degrades quickly. Cut the fabric to fit paths with a slight overlap at seams and secure it with stainless steel or coated landscape staples every 6 to 8 inches along edges and overlaps, so ants cannot easily find gaps to bypass the barrier. Cover the fabric with a 3 to 4 inch layer of coarse mulch or crushed stone so the surface is stable, prevents ultraviolet breakdown, and removes easy access points where ants can tunnel down between the cover and fabric. Where you need joints around stepping stones or pavers, tuck fabric edges under the stones and backfill tightly with compost amendment to eliminate open voids that attract nesting. Inspect the path annually at the start of warm weather for holes, tears, or displaced mulch, and repair small breaches immediately by pulling back the cover, patching with an additional fabric layer, and restapling. If you already have persistent ant colonies under a path, treat those localized nests first with targeted bait or by relocating the colony before sealing the area to avoid trapping ants under the fabric. Common mistakes include using the wrong material, poor fastening, and ignoring edge conditions. People often buy thin non-UV treated fabric that fragments within a season, so choose products labeled ultraviolet resistant and long-term use. Failing to secure edges leaves gaps under which ants can tunnel, so fasten every few inches and overlap seams by at least 4 inches. Leaving large voids under pavers or not backfilling edges invites nesting, so tuck and tightly backfill with compost amendment and compact the soil. BigHomeProjects.com is a site where we help homeowners find local contractors and where contractors can list their services to find work. We also host a discussion community where we share practical installation tips, product brands that perform well, and real user experiences about durability and ant prevention.